Right guys, very proud to present this bike to you. This is a bike that we built for Marcia, a good friend of ours, and we've also built her husband a bike. This is a softail frame that we built in-house on our CT Newman jig. Super nice and straight with a swing arm that has the castings that allow the spindle to run slightly higher with a horizontal swing arm that we are collaborating on with Jeff Cochran. The heart of the bike is a engine that we built in-house. George took care of that with S&S cases, Speed and Science cylinders, heads. Behind it we've got a Baker 6 and 4 with an N1, so neutral is all the way down, which is super easy. You just kick up for your gears. Then we have on this side a 2-inch belt from Tech Cycle Performance, also rock solid. So it's a really good drivetrain. And then if we start from the front, working our way back, we have our stainless steel invaders that will stay good regardless of what you throw at it. It's just a matter of hosing them off and you're good. Then we have our triple trees that are made in-house. They're a respectful nod to Indian Larry. Our lowers are machined out of full billet aluminum, nice and straight, with screw-on caps, risers. We bend our own handlebars, also on our CT Newman tube bender. Internal throttle, all the lines go through the handlebars so you don't see them. You'll see if you follow us that we make these headlights with the wolf in the front that are slightly larger than this, and Len, Marcia's wife, wanted to have a similar headlight that was more in proportion with the bike. So we designed and made these headlights. Thank you, Paul from Demeanor Customs, for assisting on that one, with bright halogen Hella lighting in there. Small little Kellermans for indicators, because Marcia rides in London and she wants to be able to be seen when she corners. Then when we move back, little details, full aluminum, full carbon gas tank, full carbon fender. We have a Super E here with a coffin-shaped air cleaner. We have our exhaust, stainless steel. Panda took care of that. Forward controls, stainless steel. And then we've got a Tubo suspension in the back that you can adjust. So you can, depending on where you ride, make it a little stiffer. Yeah, in the back, again, an Invader built in-house stainless steel. We've got a 21-inch in the front and we've got a 16 in the back. We are extremely proud of this bike because it came out really nice. It fits Marcia well, and not to forget the seat. It's our seat pan with our hinge, but Tom from East County Customs took care of putting some leather on there, and the paint is of course done by Luke from LA Coatings, who is our to-go-to guy for paint on these things. Bike came out well, runs well, and I think we're about ready to start our shakedown rides. And after we've done that, Marcia and Len will come over to take both of their bikes for a spin, and then we can, whatever jiggles loose, attack, and then they can take these bikes to London. So if you're in London and you hear two growling wolves run around, it's probably our bikes.